Okay, since the rivet came apart in this clutch, the rivets off of the spring plate here, I know they came out because I had to help if I'm getting the clutch out. So it's scarred up pretty good. There's one of the spring plates right there. The springs are falling out of it. So basically, these rivets came out. These here, and they get stuck in between the clutch plates. And basically, if you look at this clutch plate here, it should drop all the way down. It goes about halfway and stops. So we got burrs in here we need to get out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use our Dremel here. And you can actually, if you run a pick or a screwdriver down here, you can even feel it with your finger where they got scars on the inside of the splines here. We're just going to go around this, each individual spline, and we're just going to hit it with a sanding burr. We'll see if we can clear it out some. Usually you can. Just takes time to do it. So a couple minutes anyway. So to help yourself out, you might want to mark the drum somewhere or the shell with little marks so you can see what you're doing. Just go one to the next. Remember your safety glasses. In my case, just glasses. Just grab one and see how it goes in there. Yeah, it's better. Actually went all the way down. I think we'll hit it one more time though. We better hit it more than one time. Not really coming out right. Like right in the middle there where the rivets came out, where you want to concentrate at. So right about where the end of this in the middle here where this gear ends up. Right about there. We're actually going to hit it a few more times all the way around. Yeah, let's try that now. We know that the clutch hub itself is decent because the steel plates slide right on and off of it. Just the actual friction plates. See if it comes out easy. Oh. Yeah, I think we got it, both of them. Right again. Fell right down on there. Coming out of there nice and easy. Good. We'll give this thing a good cleaning and that should be it. Clean it out completely. Probably wash it in water too. We'll blow it out. I'll blow it out with lacquer thinner or brake clean. And blow it out with air and then wash it in hot soapy water and blow it out with air again. And then blow up the bearing. Lube up the clutch hub bearing there. The back side here. You should be good to go. Not a bad idea if you're checking out the clutch hub bearing. Go ahead and look at all I mean, you feel it and listen to it for any weird noises, feel it for play, but also check out the cages and each individual bearing on there. On some of them, on some clutch shells, uh, this section here isn't steel. Some of them it's aluminum, and you have to go in there on the sides, clean up on the sides of them to keep the plates from, just to give it a smooth surface for the plates to slide in and out on, I guess is what I'm trying to say. A lot of them you pull apart and there'll be wear marks, chatter marks, basically, where especially the friction plates are doing this back and forth, and it'll wear a groove, and if it's aluminum, it'll wear a groove in the side of it. You can also clean those out up too, fairly easily, just like I did there. You're just looking for, you don't even have to use a rotor, you can just use a file on those ones. In fact, you should probably just use a file on those. You can't actually get a file in here very good. You could use a rat tail file in there, a small one, to do it, but drummable to sanding, little mini sanding drum on there works good. So that's it. Let's clean this thing up and we'll be ready to put our clutch in. I think it's going to be here tomorrow or Friday. So along with the primary chain, so we can button up the primary on this thing, or at least try to. Anyway, thanks for watching. Everybody have a good week, and it took a lot less time than I thought it was going to take, so, but that's good. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, sharing, comments, all that. Hope everybody has a damn fine week. Thank you.